In this video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone keyboard clicks are suddenly getting too loud while typing. So this is a long-standing iOS bug that tends to cause your iPhone keyboard to become loud all of a sudden. However, there is something you can do to fix it. So first, open the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. In this menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on Headphone Safety. Now here, turn on this reduce loud audio option. Now move this slider all the way to your left. Now go back to the previous menu and you can enable this reduce loud sounds option as well. Once you have done this, tap on keyboard feedback. Now disable this sound toggle. So this will disable the keyboard typing sound entirely. If you want to keep it that way, you can keep it that way. Otherwise, turn it back on and your keyboard won't get as loud as before. However, if nothing else works, there is another thing you can try. So return to the main settings page and then tap on accessibility. Now here scroll down and then tap on sound and name recognition. Now tap on sound recognition and make sure this feature is turned off. Once you do this, your iPhone keyboard won't get loud while typing. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.